Hello. If you want to learn Japanese quickly and easily without any books or classroom time, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now. Hello, I'm Kerwin.
And I'm Blaine. And we're your hosts of the Easy Go Japanese channel, where you'll learn simple and easy Japanese short words and phrases so you can start speaking Japanese right now.
On today's episode, we will be learning how to talk about your family. In Japan, the friends you make will most likely want to know more about you and your family, which is a great topic to talk about for sure. We will learn how to say different family members' names, as well as how to say how many are in your family.
Okay, sounds good. Well, let's get right into it. If you get into the topic of family, you're more than likely will hear the question, "Nannin kazoku desu ka?" "Nannin kazoku desu ka?" which simply means, how many people in your family? You can answer with however many you have in your family, followed by nin kazoku desu. Nin kazoku desu. For example, I have 4 people in my family, so I would say, yonin kazoku desu. Yonin kazoku desu.
Great info. That's very important to know. Now you might get hit with the question, "Anata no kazoku wa dare desu ka?" Anata no kazoku wa dare desu ka? Which means, who is in your family? The first we might think of is mother and father. To say father, you would say oto-san, oto-san, which means father. To say mother, you would say oka-san, oka-san, which is mother.
Now, if you're wanting to talk about siblings, which is kyodai, kyodai, a few we could say is older brother, older sister, or younger sister. To say older brother, you would say oni-san, oni-san. Younger brother would be ototo-san, ototo-san. Older sister would be one-san, one-san. And finally, younger sister would be imoto-san, imoto-san.
Wow, what a great episode this was. Alrighty then, this is going to wrap it up for this episode on learning how to talk about your family.
Well, what did you think of today's episode? Please let us know in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you.
Also, if there is a word, phrase, or question that you would like to know, please tell us in the comment section as well. Once we get that message, we'll make a video about it.
And if this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and then the bell so you don't miss a single episode.
And if you are a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for supporting us and this channel. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
Mata ne.
Mata ne.